Hello everyone, welcome to Torque Warehouse. Today I wanted to show you the B-RAD 500 battery nut runner. It's a 3/4 drive tool. The torque range is between 150 and 500 foot-pounds. So I just want to show you what you get in the box. So what you get in this fantastic weatherproof, dustproof box is a magnificent RAD tool. So you've got the battery tool right here. You've got two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. You have the fast charger. Also the all-important reaction arm. You get a USB video. Also a user manual along with certificate of calibration and also some other added general safety rules. So this tool has a torque range of 150 to 500 foot-pounds. You get the two batteries, the charger, reaction arm, all in this beautiful dustproof, waterproof container. So if we can help you with any of your RAD tool needs or any torque tool requirements, please call us at Torque Warehouse. Our phone number is 1300 265 887. That's 1300 265 887, or just call 1300 Bolt Up.